they barely fit in my FJ. Just picked up some 33s for the FJ62 to get these things switched out. As you can see, these tires are extremely bald. They came with the truck. One of them in the back is actually smaller than all the others. So it's about time I picked up some new ones. And this is what we got. We went ahead and got some 33 1250 15s. Originally the plan was to swap these rims out with these size tires, but these are already mounted, so I'm gonna save a little money and just throw them on for now, and then maybe switch them out a little later. So let's see what it looks like. Which rims do you like better? I'm kind of falling in love with these black ones. I think they look pretty good. But it does look like I'm gonna need spacers on these guys because they are rubbing on the brake caliper as well as the steering right here. So they rub pretty bad. So we're definitely gonna have to get some type of spacer in order for them to work. But move on to the backs. At least those, we know those will work. I think it looks a lot more aggressive. Just need to get those spacers and then we can take it for a test drive. But unfortunately tonight, we're not gonna be able to do that. So next step, spacers, and then we'll continue the maintenance on this guy. We're back on the FJ62. We're gonna do some general maintenance today on the truck. I like to do that after I pick up a car. Just kind of go through it, see what I really have under the bonnet, and then, so this is what I got today. I got some belts. We're gonna go do those on all the V-belts. General ignition stuff, spark plugs, wires, cap, rotor, and fuel filter. So pretty simple stuff. We're gonna get doing that. I gotta take a lot of the kind of the motor essentials off, airbox, all that stuff, so I can really just get straight into the motor. All right, we got the cap all nice and loose. Popping off all the spark plug wires here. Gonna get them all free so we can get new plugs in there. Pull that guy off. There we go. Let's get the new one on. Let's do this rotor. Just like that, it's out, the old one. The new one's going right in. There we go, real snug. Brand new there. All right, time for the new cap. She pops right on. We gotta do wires. All right, I took the valve cover off while I was in there. I'm gonna probably polish it up a little bit. Valves look pretty good. Got plenty of oil in the trough down there. I just wanted to check it out. I didn't really know what this motor was all about, but looks pretty good. All right, just went ahead and pulled spark plug number 1. Looks all right, I guess. We're gonna go put some sparkly new ones in. All right, just went ahead and pulled spark plug number 1. Looks all right, I guess. We're gonna go put some sparkly new ones in. Putting in number 5 right now. Pretty straightforward job. Number 6 is what I'm worried about. Just getting a wrench on it, but these straight 6s are pretty easy to get the spark plugs out, which is pretty cool. That's why I love working on them. All right, we got some plug wires. We got some good NGK ones. Let's go put them in. so I didn't get any footage of this, but I went ahead and polished up the valve cover. I can only do so much. It's got some rust spots. I thought about painting it, but I didn't have any gold paint, and this is just a afternoon job on the FJ62. So just got it nice and smooth and cleaned up. It looks better than, of course, what it did. So we're gonna throw it back on and see if we can start this beast. She's purring. She's running real good. Take her up the street.